What's guys, welcome back to my brand new video. Today we are in the nature park. Alright, by myself. See, no one around. Alright, let's walk. Alright, and we are here in Florida. It's a beautiful day outside, and let's walk. So I'll show you around. I'm just here just for a little bit. They're playing soccer over there. This is the park where I'm going to. We're walking over there, and I'm right here. Alright, see you in the next part over there. Alright guys, we are coming back now. Now we are done for the walk. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom, boom, hey. I hope you like this video. Please put a like. And yeah. So right now I'm going home, shower and eat, and school is tomorrow. I have school tomorrow, so yeah. Alright. So right now we are here walking over there, over here. Yeah. Alright. So now walking. I'll show the basketball court is over there. See? The basketball court. The lake behind me. Or the lake behind me. The trees. It's a beautiful day. Outside. And yeah. It's just hot. And yeah. Alright. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Again in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom, boom. Hey, subscribe. And put a like. Alright, thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.